I keep cereal as part of my food storage program to make a nice buffer between everyday normal life and whatever can happen in the future. Properly stored with oxygen absorbers and vacuum packed, this cereal should last for many years. Number 10 cans of cereal is sold, but it's extremely expensive compared to what you can do here. In addition to my vacuum packed cereal, I also have 2 totes which hold about 10 bags each. They are part of my everyday use and rotation. When I empty the one tote, I will bring the second forward and then buy new cereal to fill the first one, and then vice versa. This way, if I run out of cereal or there's a short-term emergency need, I don't need to be digging into my long-term preserved stuff. Fill your jars and then shake and tap to get as much product in there as you can and to remove as much oxygen and airspace as possible. There is 400 cc of oxygen in an empty half-gallon mason jar. I'm using 200 cc oxygen absorbers because of the greater dead air space in this jar because of the larger product. I'm also going to vacuum pack it. I always add the date this was made and expiration date given on the package, even though it will last years past that.